E-waste management is at a nascent stage in India. As Indians, we lack knowledge about composition of products and hence we don't know how to dispose it properly. India generates approximately 8 lakh tons of e-waste as of 2012, out of which 95% is forwarded to the informal sector and the rest is handled by the organized sector. Therefore, we need many more e-waste processing plants in the country to cater to the issue of ever-increasing e-waste. However, this also gives opportunity to entrepreneurs to enter this segment and process waste the right way. With this vision, EcoCentric was started in January 2011.
Once, while I was sitting in office, I started reading about the influx of e-book readers in the country. I started wondering that what happens to these electronic equipments once they become obsolete. And that is where I saw a business opportunity. I started reading about this in a lot more detail. And that is where the vision of EcoCentric was laid down.
When equipments are manufactured, value is added at all stages of the supply chain. Similarly, in reverse logistics, value is subtracted at all stages of the supply chain. At EcoCentric, once the vehicle reaches the plant, the material is unloaded in front of a security personnel. The security personnel then cross-checks the total quantity with the gate pass received from the company. All data is also recorded in a register at the security desk. Material is then tagged for identification and taken to the dismantling table for the manual dismantling process. This is the first step of the process where equipment is tested for consistency and to check if there is any data in the equipment.
We have a very high focus on data safety and destruction, which is a very primary concern for everyone today. Probably we have computers coming in, the hard disks are degaussed, the data wiping is undertaken, the hard disks are damaged, and then it goes for further processing.
With the advancement of technology, size of monitors is reducing day by day. Therefore, it is viable for companies to purchase smaller, lighter, and more energy efficient monitors. At the EMPL facility, we have processes where we can separate the front and the back portion of the CRT monitor. The tube at the back is lead coated and hence is hazardous. The front portion is glass and is to be handled carefully. Tube lights and CFLs are processed in the CFL crushing machine where glass, aluminum plugs and mercury are segregated and further processed. Safety of employees and security and access is of key concern.
We focus a lot on safety procedures, not only for the materials but also for our employees, because we believe that employee safety comes first. This plant is under 24/7 surveillance, both physically and through CCTV cameras, to ensure that the management can keep an eye throughout 24/7 on what's happening inside the plant.
India, being one of the fastest growing economies and with a population of 1 billion plus, faces an increased rate of generation of e-waste. The treatment of e-waste for a healthy environment in the future is the need of the hour. Thus, treatment of e-waste with the correct know-how and technology is essential.
Having spent some time in the field of environmental education, it is great to see that sensitivity towards the problem of e-waste is not limited to textbooks. It is companies like EcoCentric that are spreading awareness to educate the masses.
EcoCentric management work towards bridging this gap by offering solutions to responsible companies who want to discard their e-waste in an eco-friendly manner.
I am
EcoCentric.
Caring, creative,
And committed.